a lot of speculations on blowing up on my YouTube shorts a few days ago. Don't mind them. Oh crap. Don't mind them. But yeah. So for today, we're actually going to learn about some huge facts. And these are actually true. So pay attention. Where are you? Hey girl. I mean boy. Hey boy. Hello. Now, as you guys know, this is my cicada toad Oliver. And this is an example that he just did right in time. They dig in order to burrow. So, I'm sorry I had to do this, bud, but, oh, he shed last week. Mostly, I don't take out his sheds, but as you guys can see, he's never shed anymore because, first of all, it's like winter here in Colorado, so he doesn't eat much as he used to. So, yeah, let's go ahead and put that back over. Matter of fact, let's go ahead and put him back in. Calm down, dang. Also, this is a fact. If you guys gently hold them by their thing. He just kind of chirped earlier. But for now, he doesn't want to because right now he's getting ready to be in hibernation. And he won't be back until, I don't know, was it May, I think? Yeah, I think he won't be back until May. So, the only thing to keep him warm is this heat lamp. And what's mostly important, you always need a heat lamp for a toad. Juice out of this. Yeah, juice is definitely running out of this thing. I'll definitely have to change the batteries later. So, the thing is that if you guys really want to know about some facts of what they eat, this is normally what they eat. They love to eat sometimes beetles. Yes, we do beetles instead of dubia roaches and cockroaches. We even do crickets, hornworms. Now, I searched up on the internet and it turns out I went to the wrong website. So, it is safe for your toad to eat a hornworm. And in order for you to see if it's a male or a female, you guys saw what I just did earlier, like the way how I hold him, like right here. I actually did that earlier this morning, and he kind of chirped. So if you hear him chirp, that's a male. But if you don't hear him chirp, that's a female. Now, mostly, you guys may be asking me like, why do I have these tubes? Medical supplies and stuff like that. This is for special need reptiles because the thing is that when we sell all kinds of like snakes, like rat snakes, bull snakes, ball python, tricolor hog noses, and especially geckos. There's actually a rare gecko I may be giving away. Like it's called the Dark Knight Leopard Gecko, and if one of y'all donate that to me and like I get a male and a female, I don't know if they're gonna be popular anymore because they're really rare. They're rare. But if you give them to me, I have to keep them. They're rare. I cannot uh see or do what I can do about all this. But y'all know what's going on. Hang on, where's Sagira? Sagira! Oh, here's King. Here's the King kitty. And then he's chunky already. So, yeah. Where's my dog? Sagira! Oh, she's all back? I'm sorry, we just came from a good dinner from my dad's birthday. Shout out to Dad. Hey, Sagira! Sagira! Sagira, did you go potty? Oh no, she's hanging out by the fence. What are you doing? Oh, Sagira wants the attention around the camera. Come here. Come here. Come here. Sagira. Sagira. If you literally lay down, she will just attack you. Sagira. Sagira.
She's getting scratched. Give her a minute. She's like, no, I'm getting a scratch.
Oh, that dinner got me. Sagira. Come here. So, this is my dog. She is a miniature golden doodle. We thought she was supposed to be a lab, but she wasn't. Yeah, we thought, but we thought she was supposed to be full grown, but it turns out she wasn't for some reason. Like, not all dogs grow, but she's still the puppy of the family. And we just took her to the groomer, as you guys can tell. You guys be like, oh, did you get her from brand new? No, we've had her for a while. She's actually been in some of my videos. Oh. The crazy thing is that she actually loves to play. She loves giving kisses, hugs, and every single time when we are around the cat, I keep dropping my camera. She gets jealous. You see, she just... Also, when you're, like, laying like this, she likes to burrow her head underneath your chin. You see her... Sagira. Sagira. What are you doing? What's this? What's this? No. Go on. No, no. Watch this. Sagira. 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 You want this treat? Now that I said it, we gotta actually get her a treat. You see that? She loves to play. So, we're actually gonna go get her a treat now. But the thing is, every single time when I give it to her, she just likes to work for it. So, y'all are about to see. Oh, this is her bones that she likes to chew on. Now you're talking. We got biscuits. Oh, for a second I thought the basement door was open. Alright. Here, come here. Down. Down. You better lay down. Lay down. Down. You see, Sagira, sit, shake, High five. No. High five. Oh! Yeah. Okay, now down. So here, lay down. 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 No. Yes. Release. Yes. Yes. Here you go. She likes to work for it every time. I don't know why, but it's been her mentality. She just likes to work for stuff. When she's around me, she likes to work for it. For when she's around my parents, not so much. But this one right here will eat out of your hand anytime. You guys want me to show you some proof? He's a pig. As you can see. Yeah. Alright, sorry about that. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Okay. He's a lover. He's so gentle. He loves to eat anytime from your hand. He's literally a pig all the time, and as you can see from the side point, he's very chunky. Sorry, I had to itch my neck. He's like, come on, point the camera back at me. Every time when I'm feeding him, she just comes right up. Kitty, kitty, kitty. You have a few more food. He always loves attention from the camera. Alright, once he cleans off the plate, I literally have to, brush my hand. You see, he loves attention from the camera, but that's the cat. This is the dog. We have the toad. Pretty soon we're gonna get the leopard gecko. As y'all can see. Oh yeah, I want to show y'all something real quick. La boom! I do a lot of studies here. I just do a lot of studies. So yeah. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want a vlog of me getting my leopard gecko, I'm gonna make it easy on you. 4 likes. Matter of fact, 3 likes. And I'll make it happen. I'll make it happen. Alright, until next time, my friends.